Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company MindPoint Group, LLC. They're looking for a human resources associate. It pays up to $28.85 per hour. MindPoint Group delivers industry-leading cybersecurity solutions, services, and products. We are trusted cybersecurity advisors to key government and commercial decision makers and support security operations for some of the most security-conscious organizations globally. Our relationship with you is for the long run because your success is our success. We invest in your success through fantastic benefits. Beyond just excellent pay and benefits, you'll want to work here for reasons that can be written into an offer letter: the challenge, growth opportunities, and most important, the culture of a company that cares about you. A position at MPG promises you a diverse organization, a safe workplace with zero tolerance for discrimination or harassment of any kind, a balanced work life, seriously, a stable, established, and growing business, a leadership team focused on your professional growth and development. Job description: what you get to do every day: coordinate new employee onboarding, processing, and orientation. Maintain employee files with discretion and confidentiality. Data entry and processing in HRIS and other internal HR systems. Support employment area with handling reference checks and personnel changes. Provide overall administrative support to the HR department, including maintaining and processing documentation and records. Submit online investigation requests and assist with new and current employee background checks. Compile and prepare data for statistical reporting. Answer employee questions about policy and procedures and refers to HR management as needed. Assist with special projects and communications as needed. Other relevant duties as assigned. Qualifications: U.S. citizenship required. What is required? Minimum 2 years of HR assistant, coordinator, or administrative experience. Excellent organizational skills and attention to detail. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. Proficient in Microsoft Office Suite or similar software. Ability to maintain confidential information. Ability to function well in a high-paced and at times stressful environment. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.